Look at that. You want some? All right, my healthy people, so I have my food processor here, and inside I'm gonna add 1 cup of pecan. And now you can use any nuts that you want, almonds, whatever. All right, so I have 1 cup there. Then I cover this up and just pulse it. And I have some Medjool dates, about 5 or 6 of them that are already soaked. This is what they look like. I'm just gonna go ahead and add these in. Okay, a dash of salt, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Put this back on. Blend. Take my crust out and I'm gonna put it inside of here. I'm gonna damp my hands just a little bit so it won't stick. I'm gonna take some of this, and I'm just gonna pat it down, as you may see. One of these. But I feel like my hands get in there pretty good. Okay? And this is pretty much what we're looking for. This is the first one. I'm gonna do the other 2, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, my healthy people. So, as you may see, I have my crust in the bottom of all 3 of these. Ooh. Okay. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and make the filling. So let's go. So I have my cashew here that I had soaked overnight, but you can soak it for like 4 hours or more. I'm adding that. And I have 1.5 cups of cashews. To that, I'm going to add the juice of half of a lemon. 2 tablespoons coconut oil, my maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of that. You can add more. You know what? I'll add just a little bit more. This is optional. 2.5 tablespoons. All right. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of almond milk. 1, 2 teaspoon of vanilla. If you have vanilla bean, that's good as well. I'll cover it. 1 more teaspoon of milk. Did I say teaspoon? Tablespoon. Oh, guys. So let's take a look at this. Perfect. Nice and smooth. I'm just going to go ahead and taste. Add a pinch of salt. I felt like something was missing. Not too much though, just a little bit. And then I'm going to blend this together and then we're all done. Let's take a look at it. Perfect. Let me taste this again, because you know I'm looking for that perfect taste. We have achieved it. Let's go ahead and fill our containers. I'm just going to do 1 at a time. Go ahead, just like that. I can tell that this is going to be absolutely delicious. So this is what it looks like. Just clean it up just a little bit. I have some chocolate that I melted, and I really want to put this chocolate on here right now. So I'm just gonna drizzle it on top just like that, because I want it to freeze with it. I'm gonna take my toothpick, just, you know, just like that with a toothpick. Just, I'm really not doing anything, just kind of blending it in on top. This is the first one. I don't think I have enough for the third one. OMG, I'm not happy with that. Okay, my healthy people. So now we're going to do the exact same thing we did for the first one for the second one, minus the chocolate. So let's go ahead and see what they both look like now. All right, so I'm going to put these in the freezer. So I had my cheesecakes in the freezer for about 4 to 5 hours, and let's take a look at them. They're right in front of you, of course. Look at that. I have my chocolate swirl, and I just have a plain cheesecake, right? So now I'm just gonna remove them. Show you how simple and easy it is. Let's just remove the first one. Let's go. Pop out. There we go. So this is our mini cheesecake. Doesn't it look so good? I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it for you guys. I'm just gonna put some raspberries. You can put whatever you want, but I love raspberries. Doesn't have to be complicated. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. I'm just gonna throw some blueberries on top. Look at that. There it is, my healthy people. Cheesecake, absolutely delicious. This is our chocolate. That is what it looks like. Look at that. Simple, easy, delicious. One serving. You just have it, enjoy it, and that is your delicious vegan cheesecake. All right, my healthy people, I think I'm going to try the chocolate swirl. You want some? I know you do. I know you do. Let me taste this. It's delicious. Oh my God, Maxine's Corner. You have done it again. Look at that. Woo, don't fall. Don't fall. Don't. Oh, it didn't fall. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a what? Big thumbs up. And what? Say it with me. Stay healthy.